Today we will be testing an advanced momentum indicator. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing an advanced momentum indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 375 different strategies, with 119 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 271 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,041 indicators, with 433 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing an advanced momentum indicator. And so the source video says the MSO indicator, most accurate momentum indicator on Tradingview. And so of course, we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of it. Now, basically, this indicator is identifying a market structure and using that or translating it into an oscillator type form with histogram and a few other options. There's this one, this indicator actually has quite a few different options. We won't be utilizing all the options. We're going to try to keep it pretty basic, just from the source video and how they kind of explained the indicator. And so the indicator we have on screen is the market structure oscillator. And it's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And it'll pop up and look like this here. And we'll jump into the settings of this, and the only option that we are going to change is we are going to check the cycle oscillator crosses signals, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and hit OK. And now you can see that if I bring it back up and scroll down, if I uncheck that option, you can see that on price action, the bars, there are no extra features or anything applied to the chart. The indicator basically just lives below the chart. And if I go back in and I check that box there, you can see that now we get these dots right here. They're very faint, slightly hard to see, but basically we have orange dots and we have blue dots that are kind of coinciding with the color pattern of the indicator itself. And that's what we're looking for to be on screen. And so in total, for a long trade, the setup we're looking for is we are looking for a blue dot to appear like this here. When we get a blue dot there, we're going to look down to the oscillator, and we want it to, the oscillating line to be above the 0 line. In this case, it's at 50, but basically you have this line down the middle that the histogram and oscillator is pivoting around. We'll call that the 0 line. And we want that line to be above that 0 line with a blue histogram bar like it has right here. When those line up, that'll be your signal to then enter into a long. And so we'll put our trade right here. We'll put our stop just right below this pivot here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward like so. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so it takes just a little bit. We kind of run into consolidation, run sideways for a little while, and then make this nice push up, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we are looking for is we are looking for one of the orange dots to appear like this right here. And when that orange dot appears, we're then going to look down to the oscillator, and we want that line to be below the 50 mark or the 0 line, and we want an orange histogram bar to be displayed like here. And when that happens, that'll be the signal to then enter into a short. Put your trade right there, put your stop just right above this pivot here, and then target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this one forward and see how it plays out. Alright, this one makes a really nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this indicator. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. And out of those 50 trades, we got 24 winning trades and 26 losing trades. That's going to put it at a 48% win rate with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward. If you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $14,400. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $10,400 for an overall gain of $4,000 altogether. So not too bad of an indicator, especially as a standalone indicator goes. And it gave quite a few signals in a relatively short period of time, which a lot of indicators struggle to do. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 18 trades altogether. You can see that difference between the 50 and the 18 trades. And we had 15 winning trades and 3 losing trades, putting it at an 80% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $9,000. On the losing side, you'd have lost $3,600 for an overall gain of $5,400. And so this indicator got really close to beating the Academy of Forex indicator. I think quite possibly this indicator might be the one that could do it in certain markets. And so now that's just using the Academy of Forex indicator just outright. Now if you applied our position management strategy that we teach all of the patrons, then we would have skyrocketed that win rate from the 80% up closer to the 99% range, and the total gain would have been closer to the $9,000. And so definitely would have increased the total gain from the Academy of Forex indicator, kind of pushing it well above this particular indicator itself. If you are interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. And as a patron of the channel, you will receive not only the free trial and discount to the Academy of Forex indicator, but you'll receive a video that will walk you through a position management strategy that will all but guarantee your success using the Academy of Forex indicator, putting the win rate in the high 90%. And you'll also receive a video walking you through how to get an account with a crypto broker that'll give you up to 100 times leverage and has 0 ID requirements or proof of citizenship. And I'll show you how to get access to that broker from almost anywhere within the world, giving you the ability to start profitably trading with the Academy of Forex indicator within an hour. And just to show the versatility of the Academy of Forex indicator, I've developed a second crypto scalping strategy that you can use. combined with the position management strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago, it has achieved a 100% win rate in backtesting over 200 trades and counting. If you are interested in viewing that strategy, you can click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. You can just click on that and it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and you'll click the thumbnail that you see on screen now, which is the thumbnail to that video. And an update on the live trading account using the position management strategy and the crypto scalping strategy I just mentioned. We closed out the 20th winning trade in a row just a couple of days ago. It's going to put us at a 100% win rate over a little over a month now. We've had a gain on the account of around 26%. And so wonderful results from that combination. Again, I highly suggest you check it out. All right, that's it for this indicator here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.